Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to restore your original Xero organization to a new Xero organization. Now, the reason you have to restore to a new Xero organization is because Xero does not allow you to back up data to your original organization. So therefore, you must set up a new one. And you will need to set one up before we start this process. So please make sure that that has already happened. So now let's begin. So here we are in the Browser Backup and Restore application. And as you can see here, there are 3 files already in this process. So what we're going to do is we're going to now add the new Xero organization before we restore. And the one we're going to restore is the one called Wowza Bookkeeping Services. So we're going to restore to a new organization, which I've already added. So the first thing you do is you go up here where it says Add New Organization. And you'll need to now enter your email address. The purpose of the email address is that when you start the restore, you will get an email confirming that it started. And when it ends, you will get another email saying that your restore is now being completed. So add your email in and then select add. You'll now be taken into Xero. So if you're logged in, you don't have to do this process. But if you're not logged in, then please log into Xero, which I'm doing right now. And now you're in the selection mode. Which organization do you want to restore to? I've already created it. I'm just going to use this drop-down screen here. And the one that I'm going to restore to is the one called Wowza Restored Bookkeeping. I've named it something similar to the original file so that therefore it is a lot easier for me to recognize it. And I would suggest you do the same thing. So I'm going to choose Wowza Restored Bookkeeping and then allow access. As you can see here now, there are now 4 files, and the new one, Wowza Restored Bookkeeping, is showing up. So what we're going to do is we're going to restore Wowza Bookkeeping Services to Wowza Restored Bookkeeping. And the way we do that is we go into the column that says Restored. So this is the original. So we want to restore the original to the new file. So we select Initiate or Restore. As you can see that when you move your mouse over the icon. And this will come up. The backup date. So what we're going to do is we're going to choose a backup, and we're going to choose the most recent one. And I have the one of the 12th, so I'm going to choose that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the module. The module is all modules. And we want to sync or restore from the original, which is Wowza Bookkeeping Services, Inc. And we want to sync or restore our data to Wowza Restored Bookkeeping. And then you select Restore Xero Data. And then what will happen is a confirmation check. Are you sure you want to restore Wowza Bookkeeping Services into Wowza Restored Bookkeeping? And you hit the Start button, and it will start, and you'll receive an email. Thank you.